Okay, next up to bat, we got the TRN V80. This is, if I checked on the internet correctly, it's got two dynamic drivers, one behind the other, I think 8mm and a 6mm, and then it's got a balanced armature in the nozzle. Pretty sure. If not, I'll update when I do the actual review of this. So let me go ahead and pause this so I can unwrap the plastic. Okay, I got the plastic off. Go ahead and open the box. TRN Audio. I've never heard of them. Maybe you have. I haven't. And they're obviously detachable. We can see that much. Smash. Put that up there. See if I can get... Okay, I think I just popped that off. Nice little lip on the edge there. Go ahead and put this over here real quick. I believe the tip probably fell out. Okay, it did. Push that out. That would be probably the normal, smarter way. Take that out. Should have a tip down there. We have tips. We have a loose one. We do. There it goes. Go ahead and close that up. Sometimes unboxings are close to disastrous. So people don't do them. Pack. It's going to be the cable, obviously. It is... It doesn't have a controller. Yay. Anybody who's watched my channel knows I don't like the inline controllers. I don't like it. I don't believe in interrupting the chain between the transducer drivers and the file source. Anything. I don't want anything in between. This is actually decent cable. This is, like I've talked about before, 2-3 years ago, a lot of the flagships by 1964 Audio and stuff like that were coming with something that was very similar to this, while the cheaper Chinese stuff was coming with like a rubber coated, just really not great stuff. And now the flagship stuff that costs $1,000 and more is coming with like gold and silver cables, and now these affordable ones are coming with what used to be on the flagships. I'm certain it's the same thing. I like the way that they move and they handle. Let me go ahead and put this in hand. It's kind of weighty. It's got some weight to it. I don't know if those vents, I'll find out when I listen to it if I put my fingers on those and they change the sound. It's a 2-pin. I don't know if it's 0.78 or 0.75. It's got the nozzle screen. L and R, left, right is very easy to see. I'm going to go ahead and give these a quick listen. Hold on just a second. Okay. Shit. This is a reason why you don't overstate certain things, because people are going to buy based on your hype and stuff. These are probably the best budget IMs I think I've heard. I just did the unbox 10 minutes ago. I put this on pause and then listened to like 3 songs. This is Michael Jackson. Can we go ahead and get to the side? There we go. I did the Aerosmith. And go back. I did the Fleetwood Mac. Go back. And I did a Tupac real quick. And holy shit. These sound really, really nice. Why can't KZ do this? I don't know if it's to do with the metal. I am a believer that these metal housings are superior to the plastic just because of the echoing and reflective properties that plastic seems to have with audio. That's just the experience that I have coming from bass stuff. Plastic seem to create like reflections within the cavity that you can hear. It's in milliseconds, but your brain is an amazing computer. You can catch that stuff. The metals reflect faster, and it's really almost imperceptible compared to plastics. Same things happens with giant subwoofers and stuff like that. So it's not a phenomenon I ran into with headphones. It's been in audio really my whole life. So apparently there's two dynamics in here, if I'm not mistaken. One behind the other, like on the T2. And then inside the stem is a balanced armature. And then the stem has a little edge, which is good because you can put your tips on, and they're a little more secure. I'm doing a video. Could you get up there the way you're supposed to? Yeah, and you do. Awesome. The strength and quality of the connection, this 2-pin, no, that tip didn't stay on, is actually really quite good. It came like this. It was already curved. I'm looking through the camera now. Goes right in. Not loose, not too tight. Nice. There's that tip again. Do I want to battle a tip while I'm doing a video? Looking through a lens? Yeah. Why not? Come on. Come on. Here we go. Okay, we're on there. Very solid build. Nice 2-pin. Cable is ready to go. Fits nicely. Like I said, it's got a little bit of weight. Sounds better than any of the KZ stuff I've heard. I don't know what to say. I think the question now would be, what would be better between this and the T2? And this is called what again? Like, seriously, I don't even know what the hell this company is. TRN Audio. The TRN V80 is really nice. This is good audio. I've been talking about the Alpha and Delta AD01s for about 3 years, and I still stand by that. I like that a lot. The T2 is my latest binky as far as a budget offering goes, and I would say that this is something that would battle those. This is really surprising. Does anybody out there in the comment section have these? These are nice, man. The design kind of reminds me of the God, what the hell were the name of those? God, I can't remember. But you could change the filters on the end of it, and it looked kind of like this in its shape. And it's about the same size. This is a very nicely made IEM. It looks good. The tolerances, the edges, the pin, it wasn't too hard to put in. It's not loose though. It's very nice. The cable is the same as the stuff that used to come on flagships about 3-4 years ago. Doesn't have a control inside. I'll be doing a video comparison between these and what do these sound like? Very balanced. The bass is there when it's supposed to be. The mids sound good. The treble sounds good. These are, if I listened to these in a headphone shop in Japan and I was choosing between these and the T2s, that would be a tough one. So I got to actually go listen to the T2s and listen to these and compare the two of them. So that is the TRN V80. I'll be doing another full video for these, but I wanted to do an unbox, and very surprised. Before you ask me, would I get the 5BA or this one? Let me listen to them both again. I would assume that it would have been the 5BA yesterday, but listen to these. These are really nice. Is there anything on the internet about these? There's so much stuff coming out of China, and there's so much stuff that's crap, that gems get lost until people find them. I'll put my name on this being a gem. I don't know if this actually, I tried touching while it was in my ear, but I don't know if I was actually covering the hole, so I don't know if these have anything besides aesthetic. I don't know. But that'll be for the review. These are nice. I like these a lot. These are the same impressive feeling that the T2s gave me. Might be technically better than the T2s, actually. So, video for these definitely coming up. That's the TRN V80 by a company called TRN, I guess, is the name of them. Goddamn, that's not bad. That's actually pretty good.